Hello, Math Station 3. This is your video on how do I complete this math station. The first thing that everyone needs to do is go to Google Classroom and click on Classwork. Once you're there, find the heading that says Math Stations, Unit 3 Math Stations, and click on it. Then find the one that says Station 3. Click on that, please. So team captains, you are responsible for making sure your team finds it and completes it. Team captains, you will share your screen. You will ask questions. You and your team will work together. However, every single student is responsible for opening the file on their own computer and completing it. So how do you complete this assignment? Well, these are place value riddles, so you have to look for some keywords. You're going to drag and drop the holiday lights to build the number being described. So let me model that for you. So here at the top, you see some place value sentences. So they're going to tell you where to put the lights. So it says the digit in the ones place is the sum of 2 and 2. I know that sum means add, and 2 plus 2 equals 4. So I'm going to move the 4 up to the ones place. There is a 1 in the tens place. So this is ones. This has to be tens. So I'm going to move my 1 up to the tens. There is a 2 in the hundredths. Well, I know it's tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So it's going to be in the second place, and there's a 2. So that would be tenths, hundredths. There is a 3 in the thousandths. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So I'm going to move the 3 to the thousandths place. The digit in the tenths place is the sum of 2 and 5. There's that word sum again. It means to add. 2 plus 5 is 7. So I'm going to move my 7 up to the tenths. Now, team captain, you are going to ask a student to read that decimal for you. So I will model this one. I would read this decimal as 14 and 723 thousandths. So you're going to continue doing that for this one, 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 and this one. Once you have finished all of them, you're going to complete your exit ticket. Well, that's this slide right here. You're going to tell me your level of understanding by typing a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4 on this slide. You're going to tell me what you have mastered from this math station. It only has to do with this math station, not anything else. What are you really good at? Or what do you still need help with? Okay?
Sorry.
So you're going to, after you finish that, you are going to turn it in, and your team captains will share their screen to remind you how you turn it in. Then you're going to create a Flipgrid by copying and pasting this link into a new web browser, just like this. You're going to join with Google, and you're going to tell me, 1, what station are you at? You're at station 3. And 2, tell me what you learned at this center. What was the point of it? I hope you have fun. Remember that your team captain is in charge of letting me know who completed the activity, who had their camera on, because it is my expectation that every single camera is on and every single student is participating. Your team captain will be filling out a reflection to let me know who followed these expectations. I know you all can do it. Have fun and learn a lot.